for that block. Gordon Hayward finds Thompson. Love, man, buddy.
That is a franchise record for most threes in a game. Brown.
Isaiah will come out on Walker. Now they switch off. Smart trying to take advantage. Does.
Cantor, who currently sits on the Celtic bench.
And he fits the Celtic style, too.
Brown inside.
Not the power forward, the small forward, and that may be difficult for him to move his feet and guard, but he's getting it done right now.
Nice pass down low to set it up. Well, he's always been a good player when he's healthy. He's had a lot of his career when he's been banged up.
Houston in regulation there earlier this year. Tatum gets the contacts and the basket. Eight on the clock. Tatum. Again.
Last night, they had 12 in the first half, 8 in the second half. But you can't afford it against a winner. Now this quick skip, great pass.
Yep, sure did.
I think Ojale popped up on that scouting report after the last game, Nate.
Oh, yeah. Tatum, strong take to the basket.
Defending that restrict there, he's been spectacular this year.
Yeah, Daniel Tice as Jaylen Brown and one.
Jaylen Brown puts on.
Brought in this year, there's a different edge to it, and these guys are going to take pride in going after people that's coming in here to try to show.
He's got 7 points, 3 of 7 from the field. And see, there's so many tough matchups for the Bulls. Here it is right there, Jaylen Brown going against Lowry.
Lowry got the hand up there. That was a tough shot for Jaylen.